Today I've got carpet ripples at a retirement home. Yeah, this carpet has just separated from the backing, and the glue that was holding it down has dried up. And it's right at a seam, which is also loose and opening, and this is just not acceptable. And so for the procedure, I'm gonna cut at a perpendicular to the seam in order to fold all of this carpet back and re-glue it. And you can see the dried glue is mounding up, and this causes an uneven surface. So all of this is going to have to get scraped to get a flat surface to apply the new glue. Once this is all cleaned and prepped, we've got something that I've noticed in the backing separating. We're going to have to take care of this, otherwise we're still going to get ripples after we re-glue this material back in place. So cutting open the backing, we're going to put glue and fold that backing net mesh back in place. And now for the glue, carefully going as far as you can back in under that carpet. We're going to glue this nice and even with the trowel. I use the premium glues for this, especially commercial use. Now all that is done, we want to use a seam sealer to go around every single bit of the edge where the seam is going to meet. And before folding the carpet back in place, I'm going to trim about 1/4 of an inch so that it fits nice and neat into those seams. Carefully fold it inside, and notice it kind of scoops in so that the glue doesn't get all over. And we're going to roll it down. And just systematically taking our time, we're going to maybe give it a knee kick, get it nice and tight, and roll it. Important step here is that when you apply that seam sealer, you just put a bead of it against that backing. If you put too much when you do this and roll it, the glue will ooze up out of the seam, and it's just gonna turn black. It's gonna create an ugly line. And so that last step is very crucial to make sure you need glue to be touching, but just not so much where it comes out. And now at the last bit of this, we're going to see a little bit of a mound there where the carpet is touching, but notice that that glue is already really tacky. So you roll it down and it's already getting nice and flat in place. Here we have a little bit of a ripple that I noticed a few feet away from the area. So using our staple gun in this wood subfloor, I can just keep that from progressing and getting worse. And that's it. The carpet is now ready for foot traffic, walkers, wheelchairs. We want to make sure that these precious elderly are safe. Please like and subscribe, comment below. Thanks for watching. I'm just leaving this job here at a retirement home the day before Thanksgiving. Jobs like these really put life into perspective. To be a fly on the wall for just an hour or two, and just to hear the stories. One lady was talking about her husband and how she met him. Another lady was talking about her kids and how they started dating, and she had a rule that they had to get inside. They couldn't be necking and petting, I think were her words, in the car. She had a snack for them waiting inside the house. Another lady maybe asked me 10, 15 times every few minutes, "What are you doing?" And when I told her, "Oh, I'm fixing your carpet here so you don't trip," she said, "Oh, you're such a hard worker." You know, oh boy, life, it just goes so fast. Always appreciate these jobs, and happen to be right before Thanksgiving. Cherish those who you love and love what you do.